the YouTube subscribers are creeping up. It's just about on 80,000 now, with 79,900 and whatever, so it'll probably creep up to the 80,000 hopefully tonight. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. It does make a big difference. I don't use these Collet collets very often. Basically just when I'm looking for height on another milling machine, you put an collet in and it does away with the chuck. You also are running very, very accurate, so if you want something really running true, the collet's the thing to use. At the minute they're just lying in a plastic box. I'm sure I can design something a lot better to hold them. We'll see if we can possibly fabricate something using a plasma table. That is as cut. You just put it in there. Take on with a grinder. Ideal. I'll square these edges up and then put a little bit of weld along there, and that's going to make a nice hold up on the collets. Clamp a square in there, just put some little bit of MIG along, and that'll do the job done. In fact, it doesn't need welding, but I might as well weld it. gone right through and bit into the bit of angle as well. It's not bad. So you're not going to go anywhere. I'll make the next one a little bit shorter. Better than lining a box. See, that's turned out quite nicely. Keep them all in order. I'll set them up their sizes. I think that's metric from 2 to 20mm, and imperial from, I think it's 8 up to 19. Certainly better than lining a plastic box. If anybody wants one of these, send us an email. I'm sure I'll be able to sort something out. Right, that's them there, full set, 2 to 20 in quarter up to 5/8. What's happening is the weight of them, it's actually bending a little bit down there. So what I'll do on the next ones, I'll put a piece in just to stiffen it up. But that's certainly a lot better than just lining a box. Fit nicely in there. After decided to redraw the R8 collet holder, all I've done, I've added these 2 tabs on, one there and one there, and I've shortened these, which are the leg parts. So it'll fold down that line there, which gives it one leg. Same with that one. And these 2 tabs here will fold along that line, and I'll be able to weld them in, and if that should stop the top of the collet holder from flexing. I've brought the drone across into a program called SheetCam. In SheetCam I can set up how it's going to be cut. It's going to be cut from 2mm plate, that says 1.9. Leave all the settings exactly the way they are, okay, and this actually shows the cut path. We can do a simulation of how it will cut. Obviously cuts the holes first. It's clever the way it moves around, cutting holes in different places to allow the metal to cool down. Once all the holes are cut, it's actually 25 holes in here. They're the 4 lines, and it cuts the outside. That's the job done. So we'll go back outside, recut this one, weld it up and see what sort of result that gives. Right, those tabs there will weld out, bend down and they'll weld on. That will stop it from flexing. I've actually made this one at 1.5, so I don't have any 2mm left. It'll still be more than rigid. So I'll clamp them again, put some tack welds on, then fold the edges down, weld them, and that should make a nice little Collet holder. I've made those legs shorter as well, so it's got enough clearance just to go into a shower drawer, that's all. So they will bend down once I get a tack of weld on there. Certainly getting a bit of penetration there. That's better. Just to draw them very slightly, just to make those edges neater, but there's certainly nothing wrong with that. Much more substantial, a little bit cleaner to grind on, that'll be good to go. You don't know how much more strength that's got. And that's actually thinner material. I can make these any size you want, any width, any height, any depth, any size holes. They can be that flat pack, so you can weld them yourself, or I can weld them up. You put your name on the side if you want. This is the Mark II version. It's a lot shorter, so there's no wasted space underneath there, and those little bits will stop it from bending. So I'll go from 1/4 to 3/4, 2 mil to 20 mil. Very pleased with that. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always a massive thanks for all the well wishes that have been coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching.